I'm still here in Abu Dhabi, and I just visited the Mina Zayed Fish Market, which is the main seafood market in Abu Dhabi. It was established in 1972, and it was recently renovated, I believe, a couple of years ago. And it's kind of a unique place and fun place because they have about 104 vendor stalls where you can get your meat or select your fish. And in addition, they have 44 cleaning stations. And then after you get your fish clean, you can either take it home or you can actually go to one of the 8 restaurants.
What is your name first?
And have the fish prepared to your
Okay,
liking.
so walk me through the fish.
This is male crab, female. This is grouper from local from Abu Dhabi. Red snapper.
What is that?
Red snapper.
Okay, red snapper.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is sultan. Salmon.
Oh, salmon.
Sibas. Turkey sibas, Arabic sibas from Saudi Arabia. Let's see. Rado. Octopus. Cuttlefish.
What is this kind of fish?
Cuttlefish.
Oh, kettlefish. Okay.
Square fish.
Okay.
Shrimp. Lobster.
Where does all the seafood come from?
From here, from Oman, from Egypt.
So you'll bring some in. Some fish are flown in.
Every day we bring from catch fish. Here, king fish, white pomfret. This is labia from Egypt. This is fish, lady finger. This is meat crab.
What kind of crab is that?
Meat crab.
Oh,
Green one.
okay.
And shrimp. Tiger, big one, medium. We have small one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, maybe I'll come back. I'll eat shellfish, but not this kind of fish. Very rare.
And Karus number 6.
Okay.
If you come here, if you want to take some seafood, you can choose your fish, and they have a restaurant. They clean and cook.
Okay, so you have a restaurant, they clean and cook.
Yeah.
Where do they clean and cook your fish?
No, I'm not clean. Only pay.
Okay.
Inside his kitchen, he is clean and cook.
Okay, good. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Have a nice day.